Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. I'd like to share with you a brief update. Our camera person's away, so I thought I would just shoot this quick little video just to share with you the progress being made on this custom build, the 1981 Toyota Land Cruiser, the FJ40. In an earlier video we shared with you where we had the roof painted and we had the roll bar painted. We were ready to install the roll bar. And a lot of progress has happened since then. We have the roll bar in, which we'll come a little closer here shortly. And then we have the side panels bolted on. We just set the roof on top. It's not completely bolted in yet. And then we began to install these windows. So we have all new weather strips, and it is quite tricky to install these side windows. So they're all new rubber weather strip, all new seals. And then we have the original glass. So now that we have it installed, this is obviously the passenger side of the cargo area. And then as we come around into the back, you can see there's lots of components being put together. And then as we come along the side, you can see the roll bar. Hopefully the lighting is decent enough. We have the roll bar all set in. You'll notice the inside of the headliner's not done yet. What we're doing is just making sure all of the fit and finish, everything fits and adjusts as it should before we will remove that roof again, and then we're going to put some sound insulation or sound deadener on the inside, and then we'll be upholstering the headliner. So you can see with the roll bar in place, it looks quite smart in my opinion. And then as we come over to the driver's side here, obviously once again we have the glass all installed, all new weather stripping on the driver's side, the pop-out window, and then our tricky little corner windows. So you use basically a rope, and it's a couple of guys, and you kind of work the rubber around the seal, and it kind of flips around and then seals to the body. And the finish is really nice. These are quality. They're the real Toyota seals, so they're an exceptional quality in terms of rubber. There's some substandard rubber seals out there, but these are the actual seals for this vehicle. So they fit really well, and they're a substantial type of rubber, and still stays fairly flexible when you're installing it. And then you can see we're doing all kinds of wiring. We've got the fuse panel out here. We've got a lot of things going on with the wiring. And you can see the roll bar, how nice it's going to look inside here. So this is if you missed the previous videos or earlier videos, this is a custom roll bar that we made. It's not something that was purchased. This was made in-house here, all but from scratch. And then you can see it looks like it's made to go in there for sure. And then we have the contour around the dash, and then coming down to the floor. So just a brief update and progress report. So basically this is the 1981 Toyota Land Cruiser. And we'll continue to share with you videos and updates as we continue with the build of this custom truck. I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.